conference finals is... I'm not going to tell you, but he's from Slovenia. Luka Doncic. Congratulations to you. Good luck in the finals. Let me get Kyrie Irving up here if I could. Where's Kyrie?